A federal jury convicted President Biden's son, Hunter Biden, of 3 felony gun charges.
Prosecutors say he lied on a mandatory gun purchase form, saying he was not illegally using or addicted to drugs. He now faces up to 25 years in prison for all 3 counts. A judge will ultimately decide the sentence, and a sentencing date has not been set. Fox's Rebecca Castor has our story.
Hunter Biden showed very little emotion inside the courtroom when the verdict was read, but after said that the support from his family and friends throughout this trial outweighs any disappointment over the jury's decision. Hunter Biden leaving court hand in hand with his wife and First Lady Jill Biden shortly after being convicted on 3 felony gun charges.
Nobody's above the law, no matter who you are.
Hunter Biden's defense team was hoping for a sympathetic jury, but they didn't find that in the 12-member panel. Juror number 10 telling Fox, despite having family members who own guns and struggled with drug addiction, the, quote, heart-wrenching decision came down to the facts.
Was not politically motivated. Politics played no part in this whatsoever.
Special counsel David Wise, who brought the case, says it wasn't about addiction, but the decisions made when the president's son filled out the gun form in October 2018.
This case was about the illegal choices defendant made while in the throes of addiction, his choice to lie on a government form when he bought a gun, and the choice to then possess that gun.
The verdict came after about 2 hours after the jury began deliberating Tuesday. Shortly after, President Biden made a last-minute schedule change, deciding to head to Wilmington to be with his son, but not before he made remarks about toughening gun laws.
No single action can solve the entirety of the gun violence epidemic, but together, our efforts, your efforts, are saving lives.
He made sure that he didn't mention his son or reference his son.
And the legal trouble for Hunter Biden is not over. His federal tax evasion trial is slated for September. In Wilmington, Delaware, Rebecca Castor, Fox 4 News.